In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download my IACA mobile app on Android. First, the initial step is to open the Google Play Store. You can find this app on your device's home screen or in the app drawer. The Google Play Store icon usually looks like a colorful triangle. Once you tap on it, the store will load, displaying various apps and games. This step is essential because it is the primary platform for downloading applications on Android devices. If you're not logged in, you might be prompted to do so. This ensures you have access to all the features the Play Store offers. Next, tap the search bar located at the top of the Google Play Store screen. This bar is where you can enter the name of the app you want to find. In this case, type My IACA Mobile. As you begin typing, suggestions may appear below the search bar. This feature helps you find the app quickly. It's important to enter the name accurately to avoid confusion with similar apps. Once you finish typing, look for the search icon and tap it to proceed. Now you will need to select the official My IACA mobile app from the search results on Google Play. Take a moment to ensure you are choosing the correct app. Look for the app with the official logo and the name exactly as you typed it. This is important to avoid downloading a duplicate or unofficial version which may not function properly. When you find the right app, simply tap on it. You will be taken to the app's page where you can see more details about it. The next step is to tap the Install button. This button is usually green and located on the app's page. Once you tap it, the app will begin downloading and installing automatically. You will notice a progress bar indicating the download status. This step is crucial because it starts the installation process, allowing you to use the app shortly. After the installation finishes, you will see a confirmation message reassuring you that the app is ready to use. Once that is done, you can find the My IACA mobile app on your device's home screen or in the app drawer. Just look for the app icon you recognized earlier. Tapping this icon will launch the app, and you can start exploring its features. This is an exciting moment as you now have access to the functionalities of My IACA Mobile. Take your time to familiarize yourself with the app layout and options available. In summary, downloading the My IACA mobile app on your Android device involves a few simple steps. You open the Google Play Store, search for the app, select it, and then install it. Each of these steps is designed to ensure you locate the official version of the app and install it correctly. Following these instructions carefully will enhance your experience with the application. Thank you for watching. By following these steps, you now have the My IACA mobile app installed on your Android device. Enjoy using the app and feel free to revisit this video if you need further assistance.